guys, and welcome to my channel,
Just Ari!
Today I'm going to be creating a keto-friendly pie with the main ingredients being cabbage, mashed cauliflower, and salt. This dish is really simple to make. All you're going to need is some cabbage, some mashed cauliflower, which you can buy from the store or you can make yourself, some saltfish, cheese, eggs, and seasonings.
Right now I'm removing the saltfish from the water it's been soaking in overnight to boiling it, taking out the extra salt on the stove. Here I'm starting to deal with my seasonings, my peppers, onions, and garlic, just chopping all of that up. Now it's on to the cabbage. I'm cutting up the cabbage for that pie. I don't have any specific way of cutting it up. I am just trying to get all of that cut. Here you see that cabbage mixture on the stove, adding a little bit of oil and some other seasonings, just warming that up. Stir, 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 still adding some more seasonings, making sure that it's very tasty. Now it's on to the saltfish. I'm seasoning that saltfish, adding that pepper, onion, garlic, all that good stuff. It's time for the eggs. Now I'm cracking just 3 eggs, whisking that quickly, and then adding the cooked cabbage to that, and then some saltfish to that mixture. Now it's time for the mashed cauliflower. I warmed it in the microwave, and now I'm just gonna lightly season that and lay that over the cabbage and saltfish mixture. Also, adding the remaining saltfish to that mashed cauliflower, I'm gonna lay that over the mixture that's already in the pan. Alright, it's time to add some cheese. So I'm adding a cheese mixture on top before stuffing this pie into the oven. Alright, this pie or casserole is all done, and I'm going to put that in the oven at 350 for just a few minutes. And now it's all done, looking so lovely, golden cheese. Look how beautiful. That's the final result for this casserole with saltfish, cabbage, and mashed cauliflower. I hope you try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye!